Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add text box border color or show a text box hidden border. Open your Fillable PDF from and I'll show this text box border color. Now click on this form option and click on this selection and select annotation and drag your mouse and select your text boxes. Now click right button and select properties option. Properties dialog box, go appearance option and this is border color option and so we select any color from our color dialog box and you can make it thickness medium or thick. Say this and make it medium. Say this, stop this. Now select close and click on this hand option and says this text box border color now showing and new border added. And finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.